Hi everyone, in this video, you will learn most common colors in English. Let's start. Red, red, red. Green, green, green. Blue, blue, blue. Indigo, indigo, indigo. Orange, orange, orange. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Violet, violet, violet. Purple, purple, purple. Magenta, magenta, magenta. Tan, tan, tan. Gray, gray, gray. Maroon, maroon, maroon. Burgundy, burgundy, burgundy. Black, black, black. Olive, olive, olive. Cyan, cyan, cyan. Pink, pink, pink. White, white, white. Teal, teal, teal. Silver, silver, silver. Gold, gold, gold. Brown, brown, brown. Beige, beige, beige. Peach, peach, peach. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. See you in the next one.